Hey y'all, this is Lucy at Paper Glitter Glue, and I was going to show you my latest project, which is called the Sweetheart Candy Basket. And I made it based on those candies that have the little sayings on them that only come out around not Thanksgiving, not Christmas, they come out around Valentine's. So anyway, so this is the Sweetheart Candy Basket, and I've got a template and free pattern for you. And I'm going to show you how to make it. This is actually a different variation. It's just got a scalloped edge, but it is designed so that the tabs go on the inside. Let me score it for it. It's pre-scored. I did it on my Cricut, but my Cricut doesn't score very well, so I always rescore it. But anyway, it fits in like this. And then you glue the tabs inside. You can see that on this one that I've made, and I've used some little clamps to hold the edges together, and that's the way it looks. Okay, and here is one that is made with the Valentine, the heart-shaped, and I just wanted to show you there are a couple of ways to add a handle. One way is to make a bridge like I made here and then add some wire and, kind of attach them that way. And so there you can see sort of the bridge I've made, and then I would wrap it with like ribbon or yarn or something. Or you could just use a pipe cleaner, which would look much better anyway. Okay, so that is the one with the heart. But I think the next time I'm going to do it, I'm going to make it just by hot gluing the handle inside. You're going to put like tissue paper and candy in there so nobody's going to see it, so you can hot glue the wire, and I think that'll look much better than with this bridge. One reason I couldn't put a hole here is just because of the wording, so I didn't really want to put a hole to attach the wire right there. And the wire I used is something called stem wire. And you can find it at your craft store, or you can find it online. And then the other option for a handle is you could just use cardboard and just glue it in, and it looks good. So that's basically how you make the basket. It's very nice, little sturdy basket. Oh, and then to make the words, if you want to do like the Sweetheart candies, then I have some 10 Holtz letters, and I tape them on, then I run them through my machine and cut those out, and I paint this a contrasting color. The Sweetheart candies have a red dye on them, so obviously that's why I painted it red. And I pre-paint the heart before you do that, so obviously you got to have that already be pink before you attach it. So that's how you make the Sweetheart Candy Basket.